Hi foodies, do you love berries? Well, I love a berry too, and I am so excited to be working with local Queensland company Luvaberry. I'll be creating easy and delicious recipes and some cooking videos for their freeze-dried berries and berry dust. But before we get started, I had to get online and tell you how fabulously easy and convenient the berries are just on their own. The owners of Luvaberry, Mandy and Adrian Schultz, have been sharing their passion for fresh strawberries for the past 13 years. Their innovative company is also passionate about finding solutions to the problem of fresh fruit waste. So that's the not so perfect berries that don't make it to the shops, or the berries that get picked sort of late harvest. So Mandy and Adrian came up with a great idea to freeze dry their berries. They're the first and only local Queensland freeze-dried berries. So, what does that mean for you? Well, you can get all the benefits and flavour of fresh, whole raspberries, strawberries and blueberries all year round, freeze-dried in a convenient, sealed, airtight pack. So easy. And they also stock a range of berry dusts in these cute little jars. The freeze-dried fruit is just as good as their fresh relatives, full of goodness, free from added sugars and preservatives, with the added bonus of you being able to keep these in your pantry, your fridge, or your freezer. And the intensity of the flavour is going to blow your mind. Now, I absolutely love Luvaberry products, and I've even been taking them in my luggage when I've had to work interstate or overseas. So these are perfect for anyone that's doing keto, low carb, low sugar diets. They're great if you want a quick snack if you're following a low fat diet plan, and they are absolutely perfect and fun for the kids to snack on as well. You can add them to desserts, sweets, baking, salads, breakfast, or just enjoying them on their own. And if you would like to cook along with me, grab your selection of the Luvaberry products from luvaberry.com.au, and I'll see you soon with more lovable recipe ideas.